guys, today is August 17th and it's the first day of classes. I just got up and it is now 6:44. Well, I've been up like 6 o'clock, but yeah, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom now, get all sorted and stuff. It is 7:26 and my first class is at 8, but it's gonna be online. It's gonna be on Teams. I've never used Teams before, so I'm excited to see how this goes. Alright, it is 7:47 right now, and I think I'm about to log on, get there early, since I actually can't get there early in person.
Moving in my pulpit, a new age established religion, we gon' legend, my pulpit, my tabernacle will shackle.
We'll run through the syllabus really quick, okay? Everybody's already got their...
Alright, it is 8:40 and my class just ended. It wasn't bad. He was just going over the syllabus, and he just reminds me of two of my teachers from high school, but just mixed together, the vibe that he gives. So if he's anything like them, then he's gonna be really chill. Yeah, so now I'm gonna just go on the D2L website and look at my Spanish class, because that's fully online. For breakfast, I'm just having this sweet and salty almond chewy granola bar. And then I'm gonna have some cantaloupe and some water. Okay, Sarah and I are heading to the library. We made a friend last night and we're going out there to go meet her. Okay, we're walking back to the dorm to get something to eat. It is 12:06 and I have a class at 1.
You gotta walk up a big hill.
Okay, it is now 12:33 and I'm actually gonna head out, because since I don't know where I'm going, might as well get a head start. I'm gonna bring my headphones so people don't talk to me.
You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because there's a mic up here, but to be honest with you, the fewer things I touch, the
Okay, so I am back in my dorm, and today was actually okay. As you saw, the first class, which was my chemistry class, was on Teams, which was online, and then we had my anatomy and physiology class, which was up the hill. And y'all, because there were people around me, I kept my mask on while I was walking up the hill, and I felt like I was going to pass out. And then I got lost, and this girl, she helped me find my class. So if she's watching this, shout out to you for helping me find room 149. Yeah, so right now I'm just waiting on Sarah to get back, and then I think later we're gonna go get something to eat. But right now I'm just going to start doing notes and whatever my Spanish assignments, because those are completely online. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Established religion, he gon' mention my pulpit, my tabernacle will shackle any MCs that wanna step to me in battle. He gon' move in and group it.
Okay, update time. It is 3:59, well 4 o'clock, and Sarah and I got a lot done, right Sarah?
Yes, a lot of writing.
Yeah, I did a lot of notes, and then I get back, I'm gonna do my Spanish homework, and we're gonna head out to the student center to go get dinner. I am back in my dorm. When I went to the student center, your girl was too hungry to even pull out her phone and record. But when Sarah gets here, I'll show you what she got and what I got. So this is today's dinner. I got fried rice and teriyaki chicken, and Sarah got sushi. Okay guys, it is Tuesday. I realized that I didn't end the vlog last night. Yeah, Sarah and I just watched Vampire Diaries, and that's it. We went to bed like 11. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.